Hey there, I'm Dale. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. Kiwi's looking good, paint's looking good. Engine rebuild is looking good, but the interior, it's got a lot of work to do. The upholstery, oh good grief, and the carpet are just in terrible shape. So we are gonna take care of both of those things, but to make it a little bit easier, we're gonna take the top off first. Boy, the interior of this Jeep is just rough. Seats and carpet are just in terrible shape, but I've got a plan to clean this Jeep up and make it look great with the help of some new upholstery and a new carpet kit. The first step, we're gonna take the seats out, take them down to the upholstery shop. I've got a great plan for that. New carpet kit, you're gonna love this. This is gonna look so good. I'm gonna pull back the carpet here on some of these to expose the mounting bolts on these seats. We're gonna hit them with a little bit of PB Blaster because the front seats looks like they have 4 mounting bolts that go all the way through. Underneath right there, I'm not sure how stuck they're gonna be. The other one is right there. We'll get a little bit of PB Blaster on them, that'll help. These bolts might be just fine, but if there's one thing I've learned in life is don't fight with things. Take a minute and try to make it a little easier. Well, I don't know if that PB Blaster made any difference, but it makes me feel better. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, piece of cake. And I'm gonna take the frames off the seats or the seats off the frame, make it a little easier for my upholstery guy. That would be Titan. There we go. And when I take something apart like this, I like to study how it goes back together initially. I might even zip tie that on there just so well, I don't know, that's pretty basic. I can remember that, right? And sometimes I'll use my own videos to remember how things go back together. So these rear seat hinges went on like so. All right, next up is the seat belts are gonna have to come out and the center console. So the seat belts, I think I can get them from the top here. You got a, what is that, like a T40 maybe? And by T40, I meant T50. I was way off. Now let's see what we can do about the boot around the shifters here. And they are 8 millimeters. Yeah, I think I'm gonna order a new boot. If I'm going through all the trouble of fixing this up nice, may as well do it right. And let's pull the carpet the rest of the way out. All right, I gotta run these seats down to the upholstery shop so he can put new upholstery on them. This is gonna look so good. Be sure to stay tuned for that. I'm gonna release this video now because I'm gonna pause here for today. We still got some cleanup to do, new carpet to put in, the new upholstery on the seats. It's gonna look so good. So be sure to check that out. I'll link that in the video description below, along with the new carpet kit, the boot for the shifters, all that stuff. I'll have Amazon links down there for that. Thank you guys so much for following along. Have a good day.